Winding the bobbin. Press the lockout key. Raise the foot. Slide the hook cover release button to the right and remove the hook cover. Take out the bobbin. Press the lockout key to unlock the machine. Press the top cover release button to open the top cover. Raise the retractable thread guide bar. Move the pop-up spool pin lever to the right to raise the spool pins. Place a spool of thread on the right spool pin and secure the spool with the spool holder. Pass the thread through the guide on the thread guide bar from behind. Pass the thread under the right thread guide. Pass the thread under the bobbin winding tension disc. Put the bobbin on the bobbin winder spindle. Hold the thread with both hands and wind it around the bobbin clockwise several times. Insert the thread into one of the slits of the flange plate and pull the thread to cut it. Push the bobbin winder stopper to the left. Press the bobbin winding button. The right touch screen will show the bobbin winding sign. When the bobbin is fully wound, it will stop spinning and the bobbin stopper returns to its original position automatically. Remove the bobbin and cut the thread with the thread cutter. Press the lockout key. Raise the foot. Place the bobbin in the bobbin holder with the thread running off counterclockwise as shown on the hook cover plate. Hold the bobbin in place with your fingertip so it does not rotate. Guide the thread into the front notch of the bobbin holder. Pass the thread under the guide and pull it to the left. Pull the thread slightly until it passes through the side notch. Pass the thread into the guide path marked 1 and 2. Pull the thread to the right through the slit. Make sure that the thread comes out from the side notch of the bobbin holder. Insert the hook cover plate. Press the lockout key to unlock the machine.